Making money with Realtor.com primarily involves leveraging its platform to facilitate real estate transactions and services. Here are several ways to achieve this. Real estate sales. List properties for sale on Realtor.com. Showcase properties effectively with high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing to attract potential buyers. Real estate investing. Use Realtor.com to find investment properties such as fixer-uppers, foreclosures, or rental properties. Buy properties below market value and either flip them for a profit or generate rental income. Real estate agent services. Become a real estate agent and utilize Realtor.com's tools to list properties, attract clients, and close deals. Joining Realtor.com's network can increase your visibility and client base. Advertising and promotion. Advertise real estate services such as property management, photography, staging, or home improvement services on Realtor.com to attract clients. Lead generation. Capture leads from Realtor.com's platform by responding promptly to inquiries and nurturing relationships with potential buyers or sellers. Market analysis. Use Realtor.com's market analysis tools and data to provide insights to clients, helping them make informed decisions about buying or selling properties.